Linear equation is very simple. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel at Math Made Easy with Pearl. So let's dive into this. Now, a quick one. Let's look at these examples here. But to solve the following. Number 1, 2x plus 3 equals 13. Number 2, 3 into bracket x plus 1 equals 4 into bracket x plus 3. We have 2 into bracket y plus 1 all over 3 plus y minus 3 all over 2 equals 5. And then we have 10 over 3p minus 5 equals 2 whole over 1 over 2. Now, let's see how we can solve this. Now, to solve this, we have number 1, I have 2x plus 3 equals 13. Now, to solve this, it's very easy. First, we have to move plus 3 over to the other side. Now, whenever we are asked to solve any equation, whenever you are given an equation and you are asked to solve, they are indirectly asking you to find the value of the unknown. And what's the unknown here in this equation? The unknown here is x. So it means we have to look for the value of x. And so for us to get the value of x, we need to do everything and anything possible for x to stand alone. And for x to stand alone, it means we have to get rid of whatever that is attached to x. You can see that plus 3 is attached to x, 2 is attached to x. Now, we have to first get rid of plus 3 by moving it over to the other side. So we have 2x equals 13, but we take plus 3 over to the other side, it becomes minus 3. We have 2x equals 10. Now, we are left with 2x equals 10. You can see that plus 3, we've gotten rid of plus 3. Now, the next thing for us to get rid of is 2. And how do we get rid of 2? By dividing both sides by 2. By dividing both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of x, so that 2 cancels 2, we're left with x. You can see that x is now left alone. We have x equals 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So that's our final answer. Now, if you're to check your answer to see if it's correct, because this is an equation, whatever that is on your left hand side must be equal to whatever that is on your right hand side. That's what makes it an equation. So to check anywhere we see x, we put 5. So we have 2 into bracket 5 plus 3. Let's see if it will give us 13. 2 times 5 gives us 10 plus 3, which is equal to 13. So we see that this is the true value of x. Now let's look at another question. Question 2, we have 3 into bracket x plus 1 equals 4 into bracket x plus 3. Now you can see that this is a little different from the previous example. Now you see that this is a linear equation involving brackets. So what do you do when you have something like this? First, we clear the bracket. And how do you clear the bracket? You use whatever that is outside the bracket to multiply everything inside the bracket. So when we're doing that, we have 3 times x gives us 3x plus 3 times 1 gives us 3 equals 4 times x gives us 4x plus 4 times 3 gives us 12. Now you can see we have successfully cleared the bracket. Now you see we are getting towards a simple linear equation. So now the next thing to do is to collect like terms. Remember, what are we looking for? We are solving for x. We're solving for x, so we have to collect like terms. Those with x, put them together. Those without x, put them together. So we have 3x. Now we are moving 4x over to this side. 4x coming over. 4x is having a positive and invisible positive sign. So when positive 4x crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 4x equals, and then we are left with 12. Now we're also going to move plus 3 over to the other side. Plus 3 over to this side. Crossing over becomes minus 3. Then we have 3x minus 4x gives us minus x equals 12 minus 3 gives us 9. Now we can't say this is our final answer. Why? Because x is still carrying something, and which is minus invisible minus 1. And so we need to get rid of that minus 1 because we need x to stand alone. So we divide both sides by minus 1. So that minus 1 cancels minus 1. We're left with x equals minus 9. So this is the value of x. Now we can check this by putting minus 9 back into the equation to see if actually minus 9 is the true value of x. So we have check 3 into brackets minus 9 plus 1 equals 4 into brackets minus 9 plus 3. So this gives us So this gives us 3 into brackets minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8 equals 4 into brackets minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. 3 times minus 8 gives us minus 24 equals 4 times minus 6 gives minus 24. So you can see that whatever that is on the left hand side is equal to whatever that is on the right hand side for x equals minus 9. So this is the true value of x. Now let's look at another example. Now look at this question 3. We have 2 into brackets y plus 1 all over 3 plus y minus 3 all over 2 equals 5. Now you see that this question is a bit different from the others. Why? It involves fraction. So this is a linear equation involving fraction. Now how do we go about this? First of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominator, which are 3 and 2. Now the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now, after we've gotten the LCM of the denominators, the next thing to do is to multiply through by the LCM. And the LCM is 6, so we have to use 6 to multiply the equation. Multiply through by 6. So we have 6 times 2 into bracket y plus 1 all over 3 plus 6 into bracket y minus 3 over 2 equals 5 times 6. So from here, 3 cancels 6, we are left with 2. 2 cancels 6, we have 3. Now we're having 2 into bracket y plus 1 plus 3 into bracket y minus 3 equals 5 times 6 is 30. Now you see that it has led us to a simple linear equation but involving brackets. So what do we do now is to clear the bracket. Now, clearing the bracket, we use whatever that is outside the bracket to multiply whatever that is inside the bracket. So you have 2. Now you see that this has 2 brackets, so I have to clear this first and then come to the other. So we have 2 times y, that's 2y, plus 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 3 times y, 3y, minus 3 times 3, 9, equals 30. Now let's clear these brackets. So we have 2 times 2y, 4y, plus 2 times 2, 4, plus 3y minus 9 equals 3, equals 30. The next thing to do is to do what? Collect like terms. Now, collecting like terms, those with y, we put them together. Without y, carry them over to the other side. So we have 4y plus 3y equals 30. Now, we'll move minus 9 over to this side. Minus 9 crossing over becomes plus 9. And then minus plus 4 crossing over becomes minus 4. So we have 4y plus 3y is 7y equals 30 plus 9, that's 39. 39 minus 4, that's 35. From here, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 7. So we divide both sides by 7. 7 cancels 7. Y is 5. So to do a check, I would replace y with 5. So that we have 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12 over 3, plus 5 minus 3 is 2, which is 2 over 2. And 12 divided by 3 is 4, plus 2 divided by 2, 1, which is equal to 5. So we can see that this solution is correct. Okay, now question 4. We have 10 over 3p minus 5 equals 2 whole number 1 over 2. Now you see that this also is a little different from others. Reason is because the denominator is a binomial. What's a binomial? An algebraic expression with 2 terms. 1, 2. That's a binomial. So you see that it's different from others. Now, how do we go about this? It's the same way. It's also an equation involving fraction. So we also solve this as an equation involving fraction. So, but first of all, you can see that this is a mixed fraction. So we have to change it to an improper fraction. So this gives us 10 over 3p minus 5 equals 5 over 2. Now, from here, being that we have an equal to at the middle, between the two fractions, what we just do is to cross multiply. So we'll cross multiply. The reason is because they have there's an equal sign in between the two fractions. So that's why we are cross multiplying. So cross multiplying, we have this times this times this. So we have 5 into brackets 3p minus 5 equals 10 times 2. Now you see that we are having an equation involving brackets, so we have to clear the brackets. Clearing the brackets, we use 5 to multiply everything inside the bracket. So we have 5 times 3p gives us 15p minus 5 times 3. 5 times 5 gives us 25 equals 10 times 2 gives us 20. Now we have a simple linear equation. What do we do from here? Collect like terms. We move minus 25 over to the other side, because remember, this is an equation, and whatever we do, we are trying to find the unknown, and the unknown here is p in this very question. So we have to do everything possible for p to stand alone. Now for p to stand alone, we have to first move minus 25 over to this side, so that we have 5p equals 20 minus plus 25. So we have 15p equals 20 plus 25 gives 45. What do we do from here? Divide both sides by 15. 15 cancels 15. P is left alone. So we have p is equal to 45 divided by 15 gives us 3. And that's our final answer. Now to check if this is actually correct, we have to substitute 3 back into the equation. So check. I have 10 over 3 into brackets. Anywhere we see p, we put 3 minus 5 equals, this is giving us 5 over 2. So we have 10 over 3 times 3 is 9 minus 5 equals 5 over 2. This gives us 10 over 4 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4 equals 5 over 2. So I have to reduce this by 2. 2 here, 5, 2 here, 2. And then you can see that both sides of the equation are equal. So this solution is correct. I hope you found this useful and helpful. If you did, please drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Friends show up, we laugh all night. New semester, got the future in sight.